In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a health and fitness website on Squarespace. Whether you're a personal trainer looking to expand your online presence or a gym owner wanting to reach more clients, this guide will help you create a stunning, professional website with ease. First, you'll want to open the Squarespace website in your web browser. Once you're there, find and click on the Templates option. Squarespace offers a wide range of beautifully designed templates, perfect for any business or personal project. Since we're focusing on a health and fitness website, you'll want to scroll through and click on Local Business. This selection narrows down the options to templates best suited for showcasing your services and engaging with your local community. Now comes the fun part, selecting a template. Browse through the available designs and choose one that resonates with your brand and the kind of image you want to project to your customers. Once you've made your decision, click on Start with this design. This selection gives you a solid foundation for your website and presets many of the visual and functional elements you'll need. At this point, you can proceed to the customization phase. Click Edit to access the various sections of the template where you can adjust text, images, and even colors to match your brand's identity. This area lets you put your personal touch on the design, ensuring it reflects your unique style and approach to health and fitness. To further enhance your website's functionality, you might want to add some specialized blocks. Click Add Block, which allows you to include additional sections vital for your business, such as contact forms, testimonials, or even an image gallery showcasing your client's transformations. These blocks help in creating an engaging and informative experience for your visitors. If your business hosts events, such as workshops or fitness classes, it's crucial to incorporate an event listing. Look for the plus icon next to the main navigation panel and click Events. This feature allows you to add, organize, and display upcoming events seamlessly on your website, making it easier for visitors to see what's on offer and get involved. Likewise, if you offer one-on-one sessions or personal training appointments, take advantage of the scheduling feature. Simply click on Scheduling to integrate a booking system directly into your site. This tool streamlines the process for clients to view your availability and book appointments, reducing your administrative workload and improving customer satisfaction. With these steps, you've laid the foundation for an effective health and fitness website on Squarespace. Customize it to reflect your brand, incorporate important features, and you'll be well on your way to reaching a wider audience and making a meaningful impact on their health and fitness journey.